The people at Superior Roads have more than 35 years of experience in manufacturing street sweepers. We have established ourselves as a groundbreaking leader, introducing features and innovations that have since become industry standard. Our equipment is known for quality construction, reliability, and economy. It's built to work efficiently and to last. Our powerhouse is the S3, the most powerful sweeper in the industry. The S3 can take on the largest cities, but it's economical enough for the smaller ones as well. And sweeping contractors will love the S3 for its efficiency, low cost, and practicality. When it comes to tough sweeping jobs, that's where you'll really notice the Superior Roads difference. The competition can't touch the S3. It gobbles up mud, leaves, and sand. Even grindings left behind by milling operations are no problem for the S3. That's because the S3 has 4 dedicated hydraulic pumps, one for each of the gutter brooms, the main broom, and the elevator. With all that sweeping efficiency, it's a good thing the S3 has a 6 cubic yard volumetric hopper, one of the largest capacity hoppers in the industry. Our dumping system is one of the many features that we introduced and has been copied industry-wide. And the S3 also has one of the highest dump capabilities. Dump from an infinitely variable height of 36 inches to 138 inches. That means you can keep well clear of the truck box, which makes dumping more efficient and safer. Hoppers need a tremendous amount of force to lift. That's why we use a direct lift system and lift the hopper with the hydraulic cylinder. The scissors are used to guide the hopper, so they don't experience the extreme amount of strain on the bearings, joints, and scissors material as do sweepers that use the scissors to do all the lifting. Another great feature of the S3 is the dual water tanks. This allows for a balanced load instead of having all the weight of the water tank hanging on the back. The Superior Roads S2 sweeper has a hopper capacity of 4 cubic yards volumetric. It may be smaller than the S3, but it still packs a punch when it comes to sweeping. Contractors, towns, and now even cities are finding the S2 perfectly matches their sweeping requirements. It's agile and it's very user-friendly. Whichever Superior Roads sweeper you choose, you can be assured it will be the best choice in street sweeping equipment. We configure our sweepers so that even the least experienced operators can be sure they're using the optimum settings for efficient and cost-effective sweeping. And once the sweeper is set to go, the operator has only one button to push to switch from transport to sweeping mode and back again. All of the brooms are free-floating, which allows them to follow the contour of the road surface. The hydraulic down pressure control is a set and forget system. You set it for the ideal sweeping pattern, and then you only need a quick check in the morning. That's very important because operators who don't completely understand sweeping often keep changing the pressure of the broom, which will wear the broom out faster and reduce the efficiency of the sweeping. The hydraulic cylinders on the gutter brooms are used to lift the brooms before transportation and to lift them to the proper height for sweeping. This system reacts more quickly than an air system and provides more constant pressure than a spring system. Plus, you can adjust the left and right gutter brooms independently. Superior Roads sweepers come standard with a chain drive elevator that's able to withstand the toughest sweeping conditions. It lasts a lot longer than the competition's because of our center idler that keeps the chain from moving back and forth and putting extra strain on the drive sprockets and chain links. Plus, the feed plate is made of abrasion-resistant steel, which can be easily replaced independent of the rest of the chain drive. Or you can choose our unique belt drive elevator. It has an automatic belt tightener, giving the longest life expectancy of any elevator in the industry. Superior Roads sweepers are built on truck chassis that we choose for their reliability and operator comfort. And then we ensure that all controls are placed right at the operator's fingertips. Our sweepers are maneuverable and can easily handle U-turns, tight corners, and parked cars. And they travel at highway speeds from one job to another. You'll be amazed at just how quiet SuperiorRoads sweepers are. You'll especially appreciate this feature if you sweep at night in residential neighborhoods. Environmental considerations are another priority for SuperiorRoads. That's why we designed the patented water saver system. It uses only half as much water as the competition's, yet the dust emissions are much lower than what other sweepers generate. Maintaining our sweepers is straightforward and painless. Our engineers spent a lot of time designing a piece of equipment so that you wouldn't have to spend a lot of time maintaining it. You'll have easy access to all components for service and repair. It's very simple to change brooms and to carry out other maintenance and service duties. Keeping in mind whether you have dedicated maintenance staff on hand, you can choose a sweeper that has no greasable points, one that you manually grease, or one that automatically takes care of the job. When you purchase a SuperiorRoads product, you know you're purchasing quality. Our equipment has a history of bringing in the highest resale prices of any sweepers on the market. And when you purchase one of our products, you're joining satisfied customers around the world who've come to rely on SuperiorRoads for the best in efficiency, reliability, and economy.